Alright guys, so right now it is 10:02 a.m. and so yeah, it's gonna be snowing for another 4 hours, but yeah, you can see what it's like now. It's definitely snowed a lot. You know, we'll be getting 4 hours more of snow. I might go sledding later. Yeah, and I guess shovel more, cause when my dad did it like earlier today, obviously all the snow just like came back, cause that's how much it's gonna snow in for the next 4 hours. Alright guys, so we're outside right now. I went sledding. It's like 16 degrees out right now. It was like really cold, including the woods and everything, and that was like a really open land. Yeah, so we're not moving this car, but my dad's gonna use a snow blower. We actually went to my grandma's house and did the snow. I didn't really record anything, but yeah, the snow was like really making like a lot of like, yeah, it was making like it was like really going up, like, that's all that you're seeing, basically. Like a big cloud of snow just straight up going up. Yeah, going over here, you can see, look how deep it is, just getting into the yard. It's like, and then over there's deep as well. It's, we're like that area over there, and then all over here. It's mainly from the snow trucks pushing all the snow all night, basically. The reason why it's all piled over here. Yeah. See, it's all pushed.